Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you a really helpful accessibility tip in Chrome browser. And this feature basically allows you to turn on a setting that allows your screen to focus in and highlight an area that you're clicking. So if you're thinking about some of your students that might struggle to see your cursor if you're showing them how to do something, or you're trying to help them navigate a website, or you're even using a screen recording tool like I am, this can be helpful. But it also just might be a helpful option to show students so that they're empowered to turn this on their device in case it helps them track. You can also configure your cursor on your screen to be larger. It kind of varies depending on what device you're using. It's really easy to set up in Chrome, so you can show your students that. But if you're using a Windows device, there's just a couple other settings you have to go through. But if I'm wanting to change my browser settings here to where I have some more flexibility to where it's highlighting on the screen when I click features, so it's easier for me or my students to track, I'm going to open my settings on my device, click the three dot button here in the top right corner of the screen, and then I'm going to go to settings. And now if your organization kind of locks down some of your settings on your devices, you might have to ask for permission to have this feature enabled to be turned on. I know it just varies from Google domain to Google domain. But if I scroll over here and click advanced and then click accessibility, here is where I have those options. And it's this one here where it says show a quick highlight of the focused object. So I will toggle that on. All right. So if we go back here into this example presentation, now you're going to notice some of those changes here. So if I want to insert a picture, for example, I'll click insert. And if you notice, it is focusing in on where I just clicked on my screen. I can do image and then search the web. All right. And it just highlights where I am on the screen there, which might be a more helpful option for some of your students who might struggle to find where your cursor is on their device or even on yours. So something you can turn on. Thank you.